Hello children, in the last grammar section we studied about nouns. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are used in place of nouns. Pronouns are used instead of nouns. Nounsന് പകരമായിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വേർഡ്സുകളെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രൊനൗൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ചില പാസേജസിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാം നൗൺസ് റിപ്പീറ്റായിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. ആ റിപ്പീറ്റായിട്ട് നൗൺസിനെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതിന് പകരം നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വേർഡ്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ രാജു is a boy. Raju is studying in RP's junior school. Raju has a cycle. അപ്പോൾ രാജു 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 എന്നുള്ളത് ഇങ്ങനെ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് അല്ലേ. ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് യു ഹാവ് ടു യൂസ് രാജു ഈസ് എ ബോയ്. ഇൻ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് Raju is studying in RP's junior school, you can use he is studying in RP's junior school. He has a cycle. Got it? അപ്പോൾ റിപ്പീറ്റിംഗ് രാജു 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 എന്ന് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് പകരം വൺസ് രാജു പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് യു ക്യാൻ യൂസ് he like that. Like that. Rama is a girl. Rama is a lovely girl. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ നമ്മൾ രമ രമ എന്ന് യൂസ് ചെയ്തു. ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് യു ക്യാൻ യൂസ് രമ ഈസ് എ ഗേൾ, ഷീ ഈസ് എ ലവ്ലി ഗേൾ. സോ ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് രമ വി യൂസ്ഡ് she there in the second sentence. You got it? Now look to the board. We can go through which are the pronouns we are using. Come on. I am Ashok. This is a sentence. Now you are Tina. He is Ali. She is Anna. They are friends. We are friends. It is a dog. Here, look here. Here, I, you, he, she, they, we, and it. These are actually pronouns. These words are called pronouns. Which are the pronouns in English grammar? I, you, he, she, they, we, it. Some of the pronouns. There are more pronouns, but you have to study only this much. I, you, he, she, they, we, and it. When is it used? When animals and things comes in the sentence, you can use it there. Animals, things, etc. comes in a sentence. Instead of repeating their names, you can use it there. Come on, go. We can go through these sentences. Peter was 6 years old. Here, instead of repeating Peter, we can write he was having a party. Instead of writing Peter, you can write he was having a party. Look here, this is cow. So remember which is the pronoun that is used and when animals, birds and non-living things comes. Cow likes grass. Here instead of using cow again, we can use it gives us milk. Now to the third sentence. Peter and Raji are friends. Instead of repeating Peter and Raji here, we can use they are happy. These examples are given in your textbook. Go through that. So, I will repeat once more what are pronouns. Pronouns are words which are used in place of nouns. Which are some of the pronouns you have to study? I, you, he, she, they, we and it. I, he, she are singular nouns. When you is also used as singular and plural. Here they, we are used in place of plural nouns, and it is used for animals, birds and non-living things. When the nouns are boys, we use he. When the nouns are girls, we use she instead of their names. Okay. So now you have to go through your textbooks. You have to fill these questions. Okay. We can go through some other examples. Look here. Fill in the blanks using he, she, they, we and it. Look the first sentence. We have a beautiful house. Dash is red in color. What will be the pronoun that comes here? The noun here is a house. It is a thing. No, instead of house, we can use here which pronoun? It. Why we are using it? Because it is a thing. It is about a thing. It is about a house. So, in the place of animals, birds or things, non-living things, you have to use it. So here it is given a beautiful house. It is a thing. So we are using it in the next sentence. Instead of repeating the house, we are using the pronoun it here. Now the next sentence. Riya is a pretty girl. Dash is a kind girl. Riya is a pretty girl. Instead of repeating Riya here, we can use Riya is a girl. So we have to use she here. She is a kind girl. Now the third sentence. John is a handsome boy. John is a handsome boy. Dash is a brave boy. Instead of writing here John again, we can use the pronoun he because John is a boy. So we can use here he. He is a brave boy. To the fourth sentence. Come on. Anju has a puppy. Anju has a puppy. The sentence. Listen the sentence carefully. Anju has a puppy. Dash is very cute. In the sentence it is saying about a puppy. No, it is an animal. So you have to use when animal comes, you have to use it. So it is very cute. Anju has a puppy. It is very cute. Then I like to play with Tinu and Anu. I like to play with Tinu and Anu. Here there are two persons, no? Whether it may be, no, it is two girls. So, Tinu and Anu are two girls. So, it is a plural form of noun. No, Tinu and Anu. So, we have to use they there. They are sisters. Now to the last sentence. Moving to the last sentence. Come on. Joe and Mohan play games with me. Dash are all in the same class. Joe and Mohan play games with me. Dash are all in the same class. Joe, Mohan and me are in the same class. So we use we there. We are all in the same class. So read the first sentence again. We have a beautiful house. It is red in color. Ria is a pretty girl. She is a kind girl. John is a handsome boy. He is a brave boy. Anju has a puppy. It is very cute. I like to play with Tinu and Anu. They are sisters. Joe and Mohan play games with me. We are all in the same class. You read the sentences many times and we'll stop here today.